In this video, we will discuss about cancer cell metastasis. So let us first understand what is metastasis means. Metastasis means transfer of or movement of tumor cells from one place to another place. So, and it is very important for the cancer cells to um, survive and spread across different part of the body. So uh, there are various factors that is responsible for the growth of the cells that we have discussed in the previous videos, and in the this cancer cells also developed tumor microenvironment that promotes the growth of the cells, and these are the different factors that has been shown in the left side of the figure or in the left figure. So this some of them I will discuss some important signaling factors that are responsible for cancer cell metastasis. First one is the EMT. EMT is epithelial to mesenchymal cell transfers, and it is important because mesenchymal cells has good transfer ability than the epithelial cells. And this MMP, uh, metalloprotease uh, proteins. What this helps in secretion of the tissue factors or growth factors, secretion of the growth factors, cytokines around the cancerous cells that will help the cancer cells to grow. And from the past research, it has been known that only very few cells are able to metastasis, around 0.02 to 0.02 to 0.1% of the tumor cells can metastasis, and these cells, and only these cells are enough to spread the cancer across different part of the body. So from the basal membrane, they need to move to the blood vessels, where so that they can be transported to different part of the different part of the body, such as lungs, bones, kidney, another part of the body, brain. So the metastasis process involves transfer of the tumor cells from basal membrane to blood vessels, and this is the general overview how the cancer cell metastasis occurs. The one in the right side shows how the breast cancer cells metastasis occurs. So first one is that these tumor cells interact with CXCR4, and then it moves to the extravasation, move outside the endothelial cells. And in the endothelial cells, as we know, that the MMP one protein, metalloprotease one protein, will help in secretion of cytokines, growth factor that helps in the growth of the cancer cells. And after these, three possibilities can be observed. First one is that they they interact with they move towards CD, and then act as a dormancy, that is, they does not participate in the does not participate further towards metastasis. And next one is the normal process, that is, can these cells move to the pre-osteoblast, where they will help in the rebonding of the bone. And the third step, which is important for the cancer cell metastasis, is that in the presence of this metalloprotease 1, the growth factor and cytokine factors increases, that helps in these cancer cells to grow at a higher rate. Thus, even though the efficiency is very low, around 0.02 to 0.1%, a small amount of these cancer cells is able to move towards this metastasis. And as we know that it will move first towards EGFR signal activation, and after this it will release various factors such as TGF beta, EGF F factors, and this BAC1 osteoarthritis factor. And this microRNA at the same times are also generated that helps in the metastasis of the cancer cells, as this microRNA will prevent or reduce the formation of proteins uh, that hinders the metastasis of cancer cells. So, and after this, some of these cancerous cells we are able to move into the blood vessels, so that they can move across different part of the body. In order to understand these things in the detail, you can go through the descriptions, go to the reference that has been provided in the description. I hope you got some idea about the cancer cell metastasis in general, and also some idea about how the breast cell cancer metastasis occurs. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.